There were a lot of rumors and leaks around the new iPhone SE3. All of us almost knew that Apple is going to launch it during its spring event, but there was not a single leak around the new M1 Ultra chip. So as always, Apple managed to surprise us all. But there were a lot of announcements made in last night's event, and in case you missed it, well, we have you covered. Here's everything Apple announced last night. So first up, as we all know, was the iPhone SE3. Priced at Rs 44,000 in India, it's now the most affordable 5G iPhone in the country. And here's what it brings.
Bringing this level of performance to our most affordable phone is something only Apple can do. A15 Bionic makes nearly every experience better. From simple things like launching apps and scrolling through photos, to intense workloads like processing depth information on the fly. This CPU is faster than all the competition at any price. It has a 4.7-inch Retina HD display with incredible color accuracy. The display is even more protected by the durable design, which now includes the toughest glass in a smartphone. iPhone SE has the Home button with Touch ID for a secure, private, and easy way to unlock your iPhone, fill in passcodes, and make purchases with Apple Pay. iPhone SE has even better battery life with the efficiency of A15 Bionic, integration with iOS, our latest battery chemistry, and internal design updates. And we're bringing 5G to our most affordable iPhone. So iPhone SE can take advantage of the latest generation of technology. Photographic Styles brings your preferred style automatically to the image pipeline during capture while preserving skin tones. The ISP in A15 Bionic improves video quality for truer skin tones and reduced noise, especially in lower light. And we use recycled materials in the design of iPhone SE, like in the Taptic engine, where we use 100% recycled rare earth elements and 100% recycled tungsten. iPhone SE is a fantastic new iPhone that brings the performance of A15 Bionic, the speed of 5G, better durability, better battery life, and advanced new camera capabilities. And it starts at just $429.
Next up is the new iPad Air, which of course starts at Rs 55,000.
The incredibly popular design of iPad Air is supercharged with the power of Apple Silicon. So let's jump right in and talk about performance. Whether you're a college student taking elaborate notes, a content creator working on your latest project, or a gamer playing the hottest titles, great performance is a key reason users choose iPad Air. So the new Air takes a massive leap in performance because we're bringing the breakthrough M1 chip to iPad Air. The 8-core design of the CPU delivers up to 60% faster performance over the A14 in the previous generation of iPad Air. And M1's 8-core GPU delivers amazing graphics performance, which is up to twice as fast. In fact, M1 in the new iPad Air makes it faster than the fastest competitive tablet. And the new Air is also up to 2 times faster than the best-selling Windows laptop in its price range. And with M1, the new Air becomes a mobile gaming powerhouse. And machine learning workflows are enhanced by the incredible 16-core Neural Engine, enabling powerful and intuitive experiences. Next, with its ultra-portable design, we know users need fast wireless connectivity when they're on the go. That's why we're bringing ultra-fast 5G to iPad Air. Perfect for when you're doing things like using SharePlay to watch movies with your friends wherever you are. And to support fast connection to drives, docks, and cameras, we're increasing the performance of the USB-C port. And iPad Air is compatible with amazing accessories that make it even more versatile, like the Smart Keyboard Folio and Magic Keyboard, which delivers a fantastic trackpad and typing experience. We continue our commitment to the environment. The new Air has a number of components with 100% recycled materials, like the aluminum in the enclosure, tin in the solder of the main logic board, and rare earth elements in the enclosure and audio magnets. So this is the new iPad Air. And it comes in a gorgeous array of colors: space gray, starlight, pink, purple, and a stunning new blue. It will be available starting at the same great price of $599.
Now, just like the iPhone SE3, we also kind of knew that Apple may announce new colors for the iPhone 13 models. Last year, we had a purple color variant for the iPhone 12. This year, we have green color for the iPhone 13 as well as the iPhone 13 Pro.
iPhone 13 is incredible. It features our powerful A15 Bionic chip. And together with iOS 15, the world's most advanced mobile operating system, iPhone 13 delivers experiences like cinematic mode, ProRes video, provides all-day battery life, and powers stunning graphics on the immersive Super Retina XDR display. In addition to all of its great capabilities, people also love the design of iPhone 13 and its wide range of beautiful colors. So today, we're introducing two gorgeous new finishes.
In the jungle, where only you will go.
The surprise of the event was, of course, the M1 Ultra chip, which looks extremely powerful.
Apple Silicon has transformed the Mac over this past year. Its incredible performance, custom technologies, and cutting-edge power efficiency have ushered in a new era for the Mac. We've transitioned nearly every product in the Mac lineup to Apple Silicon. And each of these products has blown away users and shocked the PC industry. When we introduced the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air with M1, our customers no longer had to choose between incredible performance and amazing battery life. They could have it all. And Apple Silicon has enabled us to design products we never could have imagined before, like the remarkably thin and powerful new iMac made possible by M1.
M1 Ultra has 114 billion transistors. That's 7 times more than M1. It's the most ever in a personal computer chip. And when you add it to the M1 family, you can see the huge difference in area between M1 and M1 Ultra. This multi-die architecture also supports a higher bandwidth memory subsystem. In fact,
Lastly, Apple also introduced a new 5K Studio display.
The combination of M1 Ultra and macOS cranks up the performance of Mac yet again. So now, let's talk about where we're going to use this incredible new chip. Today we're going to focus on the place where so many people create their life's best work, the studio. A studio is where creators, like designers, scientists, and developers, change the world.
If I told you, you'd think I was crazy. The sun and the moon and the stars.
With the power and efficiency of Apple Silicon, we were able to totally reimagine what a high-performance desktop could look like. The exterior is machined from a single aluminum extrusion, with a footprint of just 7.7 inches square and height of only 3.7 inches, so it takes up very little space and fits perfectly under most displays. Inside, every element was designed to produce an unprecedented amount of performance in such a small form factor. The innovative thermal system begins with a unique double-sided blower pulling air into the system across the entire circumference of the perforated aluminum base. The air moves over the custom circular power supply and through channels precisely placed to guide it to the chip's thermal module. Finally, the air is propelled through a low-impedance rear exhaust containing over 2,000 precisely machined perforations.
So that's Mac Studio and Studio Display. With incredible performance, extensive connectivity, and a modular design. Mac Studio with M1 Max starts at $1999, and Mac Studio with M1 Ultra starts at $39.99. No other desktop in the world can offer this level of performance and capability at this price. And the Studio Display, with its awesome set of features, is $15.99.
So this is everything Apple announced last night in its launch event. Of course, the iPhone SE3 was the headline maker here. Priced at $44,000, it comes with the A15 Bionic chip, the same chipset that also powers the iPhone 13 series. Now, it's not, of course, as aggressively priced as some of the headlines made it sound like. But yes, it's going to cut into that market where currently you have the OnePlus 9RT, Samsung Galaxy S21, FE iQOO 9, and even the Xiaomi 11T Pro. So yeah, let us know what you think about these new announcements and launches from Apple. And stay tuned. We have a lot of videos coming for you throughout the day. It's going to be a busy day on Fiiber.